Welcome back to AGI Mindset, the channel where we explore the intelligence revolution shaping our future. Today, we're diving deep into a breakthrough that could reshape the AI landscape as we know it. DeepSeek, a lesser-known but rapidly rising player in the AI world, has just released a model that's turning heads, and not just because of its size or speed. It's called DeepSeek-GRM, and it's redefining what it means for an AI to learn by critiquing and improving itself. In this video, we'll explore how DeepSeek-GRM uses self-principled critique tuning to refine its own thinking, why it outperforms even titans like GPT-4o and Nematron 4, and what this means for the future of AI development, from smarter assistants to self-revising agents. Let's dive in. DeepSeek-GRM is a 27 billion parameter language model developed by DeepSeek. But this isn't just another large language model trying to keep up with OpenAI or Google. What makes DeepSeek-GRM different is how it learns, not from human feedback, but by critiquing itself. That's right. This model literally teaches itself how to think better. It uses a technique called self-principled critique tuning, or SPCT. Let's unpack that. What is SPCT? SPCT is an approach where the AI looks at multiple versions of its own responses and ranks them based on internalized principles. Think of them as its own code of conduct. No human needs to intervene. It evaluates answers, critiques them, and then adjusts its reasoning based on what it's learned, all autonomously. It's kind of like a student writing multiple drafts of an essay, grading them based on clarity and logic, and then rewriting the best version. Only the student is a machine doing this millions of times faster than a human ever could. This is where things get really interesting. According to benchmark tests, specifically RewardBench and the Preference Prediction Evaluation, PPE, DeepSeek-GRM outperforms OpenAI's GPT-4o and Meta's massive 340 billion parameter Nematron 4. Yes, you heard that right. A 27B model is outperforming models more than 10 times its size. How? One word: efficiency. DeepSeek-GRM uses a method called repeated sampling combined with meta-reward models. It generates multiple candidate responses, critiques them internally, and filters them based on the best alignment with its core principles. This enables the model to offer more accurate, relevant, and contextually refined answers. Let's go deeper. Repeated sampling means the model creates several potential answers instead of just one. Each of these answers is then evaluated. Meta-reward models, or meta-RMs, act as the internal judges. They assess how well a response aligns with abstract goals, things like helpfulness, coherence, and factual accuracy. Then, the AI picks the best one, updates its understanding, and improves over time. This cycle repeats and compounds. It's essentially trial and error at hyperspeed, guided by smart internal rules. So why does this matter? Because we're entering a new era of self-improving AI. Instead of needing thousands of human labelers to guide them, models like DeepSeek-GRM learn on their own. This opens the door to smaller, faster models that are just as powerful, cheaper, more scalable AI systems, and AI that can adapt and evolve without waiting for human corrections. It's not just about beating GPT-4o in a test. It's about changing the way we build intelligence altogether. Imagine a virtual assistant that critiques its own answers and improves over time without you ever needing to correct it. Or an AI therapist that refines its emotional intelligence with each session. What about AI tutors that customize their lessons not just for every student, but for every answer they give, learning what works best along the way? DeepSeek-GRM brings this vision closer to reality. Of course, OpenAI isn't sitting still. They're rolling out enhanced memory features for ChatGPT, meaning it can remember past conversations, build long-term user profiles, and act more like a consistent learning assistant. And there are rumors of GPT 4.1 launching soon, possibly with its own self-improvement mechanisms. The race is on, not just to build bigger models, but to build smarter ones. But this kind of self-critiquing AI also comes with questions. Who defines the principles it uses to critique itself? How do we prevent feedback loops that reinforce bias? Can an AI really understand ethical nuance without human input? These are big questions that researchers, ethicists, and developers will have to face fast. SPCT is just the beginning. What happens when models begin optimizing their own goals, not just answers? We could see fully autonomous research agents, AI politicians that debate and revise their policies, self-healing AI systems that identify and patch bugs in real time. DeepSeek-GRM shows us the early blueprint of such systems. And it's impressive. DeepSeek-GRM might not be as famous as GPT-4, Gemini, or Claude, but it represents something even more exciting, a paradigm shift in how AI evolves. Through SPCT and self-guided improvement, we're no longer building static tools. We're building thinking systems, ones that can iterate, critique, and grow. That future is closer than you think. Thanks for watching AGI Mindset, your destination for cutting-edge AI analysis, future-forward trends, and deep dives into artificial general intelligence. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others in your community. What do you think about self-improving AI? Are we headed for brilliance or danger? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and stay mindful.
Step into the future. AI's the way, unlocking new tools, brightening each day. AGI Mindset, we're reaching for stars.